Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you 4 magic tricks you can do on Gemini to make your workflows faster and to be more productive. So now let's get started. And the first magic trick here, if you are using Nano Banan model on Gemini to generate your images and there is styles that you don't want, so just follow me in this trick. You've got to train Gemini and Nano Banan with your own style and with your own reference images. So for example, here, if you just want to generate some exactly styles like these infographics like these, okay, and here just we want to generate like these such images when you are inserting some topics, a piece of content, a title of anything you want, just generate the same style of this infographic or diagram and the like. So you've got to here train Gemini with these reference images here, and you just ask for detailed prompt to generate these such diagrams when you insert your topic or anything else. And for sure it gives you this detailed prompt like this one: act as a senior information designer and blah 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 with this goal and so on. Then it's time now to just copy this entire prompt and go to Gemini and make something new that says gems like this one. And for sure you can take gems as a mini version of your Gemini chat. For sure you can find amazing done for you and ready to use gems for different topics like these from labs of Google and so on, and here from Gem Manager. Here you can find amazing gems to use for free, like for the World Cup, Storybook, and so on. And here you can generate your new gem. Here it's like the custom GPT on a Chat GPT. So just all you have to do, just you can go to this new gem and then insert your instructions, just to give it name and description. And this instructions here you can put your own prompt that you have taken from your Gemini. Then just default tool, for sure you've got to use create your images here and give some knowledge as you want and add your files and your images as reference. Okay, then save it and use this gem as you want to, instead of wasting your time and repeat the workflow again and over again. Just you can use this gem like this one. Just I give it this topic, okay, and just in a few seconds give me this diagram as I want, and for sure its name diagrams for explanation your custom gem. That's it. So just you can save your time, save your effort, and it gives you the final result exactly what you want. So that's one, the first trick here you've got to learn on Gemini. And the second trick here, when you go to Gemini, here you can find in this plus icon, if you click over this one, you can add notebook LM as a source to use it later on your chat on Gemini. So for example, here you can click over this one, notebook LM, and it would be opened like this one. Here you can select one of them like this, for example. Okay, and here you can use this notebook LM with all over resources you use in this notebook LM to use as a reference to chat with it, to get your content, or even you can convert to images using these tools, deep research, Canvas, or guided learning. So for example, here I can actually go to Canvas and ask for just get a checklist using this notebook LM, and for sure just in few seconds it give me this result as you see. Okay, that's it. And the next trick and the next magic here you've got to know on Gemini, for sure when you are trying to generate your slide deck or your presentation using Nano Banan model, even on Gemini or notebook LM, they are not editable, so you can use this trick instead. Just you can go to this awesome website gamma.app. For sure most of you know this awesome website. Here you can generate your documents like web pages, slide decks as you want completely for free using AI. And here on gamma.app, powered also by Nano Banan model. Yes, you heard that right. So for example, Just you can sign up for free on gamma.app, and here you can go to generate something, or you can paste your text or import a file as a source URL for web page, YouTube videos, and so on. So I can go to this one, import file or URL. Then it's time now to import your URL. Okay, and insert your web page link. And for that example, I can use this web page or article like this, and go back to our here and paste and import. And just a matter of seconds, here you've got to use the presentation or convert to a page or document or a social. So I can take this option, presentation, and continue. And here the best part comes right now. Here in the left panel, you can find some customizations regarding your presentation you are gonna generate. Here you can set your theme and AI images, and here AI image model. Here you've got to use your model to generate images inside this presentation. So you can set as an auto select or flex to bro or Nano Banan bro. So I can set this one, okay, and add something else as you want, as image, art style, anything else, and generate. And of course you can actually edit this 10 cars, make it more, make it less as you want, and the result would be amazing like this. As you see, these images just from Nano Banan and this structure. Okay, that's it. And of course here in Gamma.app, it's more likely to actually edit anything you want, to add some buttons, to add a call to action, insert some images from external sources as you want, rather than the slide decks and presentations generated directly from Notebook.LM or Nano Banan from Gemini. Then you can export as a PDF, PowerPoint, or images as you want. And now we can move on to the last trick here using Gemini. For sure, when you generate some images on Gemini, you have this watermark in the bottom right corner. So for sure, you can actually mask, can add your logo or add some emojis to mask this watermark, or even better, you can actually use some amazing external AI watermark remover. Like this one, for example, go to geminiwatermark.com. Here you can remove this watermark for free. So for example, I can upload an image like this, and then you can find two models, AI smart removal or quick crop. Here, if you just select this one, quick crop, it's crop your image here to just mask and remove this part entirely that contains this watermark. And for sure, it's not the best option to edit your image. So you can select this one, AI smart removal, and its result would be 80% good. Would remove this watermark. And for sure, it's completely for free. Or you can use the best option by going to this awesome website that says easeremove.ai. Here you can upload your image like this one, and just in a few seconds here you can find amazing result like this, as you see, without any watermark. So that's it. Amazing tricks you can use on Gemini to make your workflows faster and be more productive in your work and your journey to make money online. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.